Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Glam Girl Krishna. In today's video, I am creating this gorgeous lime green festive makeup look, bold, glowing and totally party ready. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. Starting with a sunscreen to protect my skin, I am using a lightweight one that sits well under the makeup. Then applying a pore blurring primer only on my T-zone to keep the skin smooth and shine free. Next I am using a full coverage foundation that matches my skin perfectly. Blend it out with a damp brush for that airbrushed finish. Next cream contour time, I am gonna be using my Glam contour stick. I am defining my cheekbones, jawline and nose with a contour stick. Filling in my brows with a brow pencil, keeping it natural yet defined. Brushing them with a spoolie for a clean shape.
In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down. With you.
Using a lightweight concealer as an eyeshadow base to cancel discoloration and make the green pop.
My friend, there's no need to wear a frown. Friendship, oh friendship, upon the storms and sunny days together.
Now move on to eyeshadow. This is the fun part. Starting with a light brown transition shade in the crease.
We'll walk this road hand in hand, yeah. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend. In the silence of the night, all the chaos of the day, you're the one I turn to in every single way. With you, I find solace.
Then packing a vibrant lime green shimmer on the lid. Using a flat brush to give the eye depth.
In the warmth of your embrace, together we stand strong in this endless race.
I am adding a bit of dark green or a brown to the outer corners and blending it in.
Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend.
Applying a black winged liner for a lifted effect. This makes the lime pop even more. Sharpening the outer corner with a touch of concealer to clean up, then using the same lime shade on the lower lash line for a bold cohesive look. Then applying a concealer under my eyes, forehead and chin for a brightness. Peachy blush on the apples of my cheeks. Setting everything with a translucent loose powder, especially under the eyes and around the nose. A pop of champagne shimmer to the inner corner and a soft highlight on the brow bone to lift the eyes. Volumizing mascara on top and bottom lashes. Skip falsies if you want to keep it beginner. Brown lip liner and applying a peachy pink or a coral lipstick to balance out the eye. You can also go nude if you prefer all the attention on the eyes. Locking it all in with a glow setting spray so this glam lasts through all the celebration.
I hear the beat, it's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest.
And that's the final look. What do you think of this lime green glam makeup look? Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll get notified every time I'll post a new video in my channel. For more colorful tutorial, festival makeup tutorials.